Ho, ho, ho. Free advent calendar for ESL classes. What is an advent calendar? It is usually a box with a chocolate for each day of December before Christmas. You open up on each day and eat the chocolate. So December 1st, you open it up and eat. December 2nd, open up and eat. Now you can apply the same idea to your ESL classes. Let me show you this free PPT that you can download from the Twinkle website. I'll put the link in the description below. Which advent calendar would you like to use? So there are three types. You have the vocabulary, actions, and questions. Every day, your students can learn one of these or all of them. For December 1st, you look at some vocabulary, some actions, and some questions they can use. Make sure that the students practice it in class. A good idea is also to review the previous day's words. Let's check it out. So you go here to vocabulary and you can see December 1st, Christmas tree. The students practice learning about a Christmas tree, Christmas card, and so on. Every day, open up a new one. Get the students to say the words or use it in a sentence. Remember, repetition is key. The more students repeat these words, the better they will remember them and also use them in context. You can also look at some actions. Decorate the Christmas tree, write a Christmas card, laugh like Father Christmas, shiver in the snow. Try to use some TPR when teaching your students these words. You can also use these actions for charades, where you show a student one of these actions, they have to act it out, and the rest of the class gets to guess what action they are performing. This is especially useful as you go on in December and there are more and more actions to pick from. Try and play some Christmas music in the background to make it more festive for your students. Or you can do some questions. Look at this lovely PPT. December 1st, what's the weather like in December? Do you normally have a holiday in December? These are great for students that are intermediate to advanced. As you go on in December, remember to reflect and practice these questions some more. Because the students get used to answering it, they will improve their speaking. This is a great free resource from Twinkle that you can use in your classes. If you would like to win a free month with Twinkle, check out the Etiquette live stream every Sunday at 1 p.m. GMT. I will be there. You can come and ask me questions and perhaps win a free month. Everyone, have a lovely December and a Merry Christmas. I'm Eric from Etiquette, and I'll see you next time.